गोयची पोर्तुगीज हुकुमशाही राजवट गोंया खातीर काळो काळ आसलो, पण त्याच वेळार गोंय वैजकी महाविद्यालय आनी गोंय फार्मसी कॉलेज ह्या सारक्यो सुविधा लोकां खातीर उबारल्यो आनी गोंय मुक्त जावन सरकारान त्यो सुविधा विकसीत केल्यो. मुख्यमंत्री डॉ. प्रमोद सावंतान सांगले. आंतरराष्ट्रीय लुसोफोन महोत्सवाच्या उक्तावणा वेळार मुख्यमंत्री उलयतालो.
परराष्ट्रीय राज्यमंत्री मीनाक्षी लेखीच्या हस्तुकी आंतरराष्ट्रीय लुसोफोनिया महोत्सवाचे उक्तावण जाले. मुख्यमंत्री डॉ. प्रमोद सावंत ह्या वेळार उपस्थित आसलो. पोर्तुगेजांनी राजवट केल्ले गोंया सयत 8 देश ह्या लुसोफोनिया महोत्सवात वांटो घेतले. ह्या महोत्सवात ह्या देशांतले प्रतिनिधी आपले संगीत, हस्तकला, आर्किटेक्चर, जेवण ही कला सादर करतले. इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ मिनिसीस ब्रागांसात हो महोत्सव 3 ते 6 डिसेंबर मजगती चलतलो.
Goa particularly has a lot of showcase, and in contest in the next few days you will be experiencing the fusion of culture, and that is the sense of Goa. I must say that the Goa is an excellent example of the effect that globalization and trade has had on our Indian population. The era of colonial rule in Goa had its dark phases, while the public amenities like Goa Medical College and Pharmacy College were being created, Goans continued their quest for liberation. As the CPLP member countries all share some kind of similarities on account of Portuguese colonial connection, the government of Goa will be most happy to collaborate through a good offices of the MEA with the CPLP organizations. All are the independents and nations having their own sphere of influence at the international arena in the various fields and subject of interest to Goa.
Bureau Report, Goa 365.